These are the Cleanomic Earthwash Eco-Friendly Detergent Sheets. And these are water soluble and no more plastic jugs. So that way it is a very compact way to do your laundry without having to have like big jugs of laundry. So I am so excited for this one because I live in a small apartment and we don't have that many space. So having things like this is honestly a game changer for us. So these are the instructions. Over here it will let you know what you have to do and how it's simple to use. So if you want to use it by hand washing, you have to have a quarter to half of strip. That will be more than enough for your wash. And for a small load, you only need half of strip. A regular load, which is 6 to 11 pounds, is going to be one strip. And if you have a heavily soiled load, you are going to need 2 strips. If you are going to use a washer machine, it is going to be tear a strip and into pieces and or fold it, fit into the dispensing detergent drawer of your machine, or you can place the pieces inside the drawer and run a normal load. So you can also toss the earth wash strip into the drum directly. So that's a preference. The smell is honestly so good, and look how compact it is. So the only thing you gotta do is make sure to open them, and they are very thin. Let me just show you. This is how they look. They look like little napkins, and this is it. So imagine you only have to use a quarter to half of strip if you are having a small to regular load, and only one for regular or 2 of those if it's like really heavy. So this is how they look. The material smells amazing, honestly. So that's the only thing you need to do. Put it in the drawer for your drum, uh, either directly on your drum or in the drawer before you wash your clothes. And then that's everything you really need to do by utilizing these sheets that are water soluble. Okay, so I decided to put it to the test, and we're going to do a load. So instead of utilizing this gigantic jug, we're going to substitute it for this sheet. So how cool is this? And we are going to put the load, and then we are going to put it in pieces over here, or we can just throw it over here. So for the purpose of this video and to just do it quick, I'm just gonna toast it right there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the clothes on that I want to wash. So this is gonna be like a medium load, and then I'm just gonna toss this into the drum like that and run my normal cycle. And we'll see.